Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. There's something right here that happens 100% of the time. It always happens. You have to be prepared for that. We'll talk about that in today's video. But before that intraday analysis, it's important you understand the algorithms at play so you not only can find profits in the charts, but translate them into larger time frame, find clues where the market is going. 946 right here. Now this was when I mentioned about the magenta and orange algorithm. In fact, we identified it as early as 9:39, which was about here, and just take a look for yourself how the market started trending down thereafter once we understood how to identify the bearish control algorithm. In this case, we identified the stronger magenta. That was quite straightforward trade, especially when it started pushing down in that stronger green selling continuation structure. Now, if you missed this, so be it. Plenty of profits to be found later. As you can see from here at 9:56, you didn't miss anything here because all you got to do was to wait for that same magenta algorithm to start building liquidity, and just take a look for yourself. You still could grab so much more profits here, and all because you understood and you just see for yourself how magenta is building liquidity so beautifully right there. Now this is also known as a selling continuation structure, and one very big important point about this is to understand how the magenta, and in this case the orange as well, how they were working together to build liquidity on the way down, especially with these large green candles. You see the large green candles right there? Yeah. That's part of what the orange algorithm is trying to build. That is being tapered and controlled by the magenta, giving us an absolutely beautiful trade